Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
But I won't survive if it tastes like crap. I'll see how it tastes. Oh, that is good. Time for a big, ridiculous potato chip egg bite. Those pickles grab you first. See how it tastes? I got a lot of yolk right there. Ready? Oh. That cream cheese hits you like a cold shot of creaminess. Here goes nothing. That's good. Uh-oh, here we go. Oh. The eggs are fluffy, creamy with that cheese. The meatball has to speak for itself. That sucker's hot. Let's taste the meat. Let's taste the meatball. See if it's tastes as good as it looks. Oh, right there, look at all that yolk. Check it out. That looks beautiful. But who cares what it looks like if it doesn't taste good? Let's try it. Let me grab a little corner here. There it is, it busted open. It's acting up. All right, there it is. It's the corn chip, cheese, salsa scramble. Just get a good bite. That's delicious. All right, another killer recipe by Foster. Hey, but it makes a difference if it tastes like you see, huh? Oh. You can see the egg right there, see it? There's the finished product. I've been waiting for this bite ever since I made these. Let's see. Gone. Let's try them. I do like that sauce, though. I'm gonna tell you. I love you. I love you. I love you now. I love you now, Popeye. It's kind of a it's got spice. My wife won't like that. Okay. There's a close-up. Closer up. Oh, don't hit the camera. That's stupid, Mike. We'll see how it tastes. There's a big black olive. That's what she said. Let's get into it. You can taste that cheese. Oh, that is good. There's the perfect no cheese omelet. So you say, Mike. Let's see how it tastes. And who wants an omelet with no cheese? Well, a lot of people don't like dairy. Oh, God, that looks gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous. Oh. That is all egg. 3 eggs. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. I've got over 1,000 videos. Tell people about them, especially my egg videos. And enjoy life and stay safe. Until next time, please.
Live life 365.
Just crack. See that? Look at that baby. Oh, that's gorgeous. See that? That's the money shot. And then let's take a bite. Are you ready? Oh yeah, there it is. Ah. Oh. Simple. 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 Let's try the chicken first. You guys ready? It's got some spice to it, so I'm happy with that, but it's kind of... What's the word I'm thinking of? Flaccid? Oh, there's a close-up of that. Now let's have a close-up of me eating. You don't have to go that close. Let's try a bite of this. There's a little pickle there. Okay, let's try a bite. Again, everything seems... There she be. Let's see how it tastes. Look at this big chunk of yolk right here. I can't wait. You got a big enough bite, Mike?